Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another wig. This wig is from Hermosa Hair. This is a highlighted curly 8x5 pre-everything wig. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So really all you have to do is put it on and go. But I did wash this unit. And also I did a little side part situation. It's still a little damp. I did add like water and setting foam, but if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig, just keep watching.
Yes, wig cap, because who has time for a braid down these days? Not me, because I can't braid. So I'm just stuffing all of my hair into this wig cap. And since the wig is curly, the base doesn't have to be super flat. We are putting on this full curly wig, so you won't even tell. So I already filmed this video. This is my second time filming it. So I had already had my part situated. We're going with the side part. Love the way the hair looks. I like it worn in and almost frizzy. The hair isn't frizzy, but I did like finger through all the curls. So I'm going to tame that for you guys so you can see what it looks like a little more put together. And here I'm just trimming some of the pieces that are a little stretched out because I want it to all be like the same length. Also, the color is perfect. This is a 1B27 combination. I love how chunky some of the highlights are. I did also wash this wig with purple shampoo just to take out some of the brass and the blonde pieces, and love that. Love how it came out. I told you guys that this wig had 4C edges. There's a lot of baby hairs on this wig, so I did brush some of it back. Y'all know I don't really do edges on my wigs. I just kind of like to blend my natural edges in. So I did a little bit of natural edge, and then I did use some of the wig's edges as well. But we are just clipping our hair back because I'm going to tame this wig down. But first I am going to spray the lace with some tinting spray, just so that when I do go in with my hairspray, the lace doesn't turn white, because that's what happened to me the first time. And with my hairspray, I just kind of sprayed the front all the way to my temples. I don't go past that. So the wig is just free to live its best life and just sit there and be cute. I do hairspray band, and then I'll blow it with a blow dryer to kind of dry it a little bit. And then I just let it sit on my head for like 10 to 15 minutes to make sure it is completely dried before I remove the band. To detangle and tame the hair, I am going in with a spray bottle. This just has water in it. And I'm also going to go in with setting foam, but I'm on the fence because sometimes when I use the setting foam, it kind of makes the hair hard and crunchy. I don't know if I'm using too much or if it's just the type. Let me know which one you guys like, because I must be using the wrong ones on the hair. I'm not sure, but I am getting the hair tamed down because it was big. It was big because I was raking my fingers through it. I just can't stop touching it. And I tell people all the time, if you don't want your curly hair to be big, do not touch it. And here I am just fluffing and touching, fluffing and touching. But that's all I'm doing. I'm using my Tangle Teezer brush, which I absolutely love for curly hair. I also have like a off-brand Denman brush that works well too, but I just really love my tangle teaser, so that is what I'm using.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches Chanel. Will you be my lead?
And for the wig's edges, I'm just going to curl it with this little pencil flat iron and then swoop it with some edge control and a little bit of that same setting foam.
Leading lady, I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. I don't know. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months.
And this is what we're looking like, really cute. I wouldn't mind cutting a little bit more of this hair. I'm not sure if this is a 22 or a 24, but of course I'll have like the exact specs listed down below. But this is after water and a whole bunch of setting foam. I also want to show you guys that it's so easy to style this wig because it is an 8x5, so you get some good space, and it doesn't look crazy because a lot of the times if I try to style like a frontal type wig, y'all know I don't do anything with the sides, so it's just like flapping around by my ear. But this wig fits nice and snug. I think I have a cap size small or medium. I'll also list that down below, but I'm just doing like a cute little half up, not even half, like just a teeny bit up, and I'm gonna claw clip it. And then I have like this front bang situation going on. Really cute and simple. I just wanted to show you that you're not limited. You could do whatever you want. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll be sure to list all of Hermosa's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as direct links to the unit that I'm wearing. I also have a coupon code I'll list down there as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.